If your first 5 seconds are weak, nothing else in your video matters. The YouTube algorithm doesn't watch your videos, people do, and people decide whether to stay almost instantly. Why hooks matter. When someone clicks your video, YouTube immediately measures one thing: do they stay or leave? Those first seconds decide whether your video gets tested or buried. Here's a simple hook formula you can use in any video. First, call out the problem. Second, promise a result. Third, create curiosity. Most small YouTubers do this wrong. Fix it and your views will double. Don't start with your name, your channel intro, long explanations. That kills momentum. If the first 5 seconds don't make someone think, "I need to hear this," you've already lost them. In the next video, I'll show you the best video length for small YouTube channels. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss to watch that next.